हृदय रोग का कारण जेनेटिक और रिस्क फैक्टर जैसे मोटापा, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, तनाव युक्त जीवन शैली हो सकता है। लोगों को चाहिए कि वह समय रहते हृदय रोग के बारे में जाने और डॉक्टर की परामर्श लें। 29 सितंबर विश्व हृदय दिवस के अवसर पर शहर के प्रतिष्ठित हृदय रोग विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर B.S. यादव ने बताया कि भारत में विश्व के अन्य देशों की तुलना में हृदय रोगियों की संख्या अधिक है, लेकिन वर्तमान समय में बेहतर स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं और तकनीकी के चलते अब हृदय रोग का बेहतर इलाज संभव है। लोगों को चाहिए कि आपात स्थिति में एस्प्रिन की गोली लें एवं तुरंत डॉक्टर से संपर्क करें। हमीदिया हॉस्पिटल में हृदय रोग विभाग में डॉक्टर B.S. यादव के नेतृत्व में अनेक जटिल सफल हृदय ऑपरेशन किए गए।
Very important and very necessary message is that heart is the number one organ of the body. Life is dependent on heart. Heart is very sensitive also क्योंकि 10% population is now affected by heart diseases and heart diseases are number one killer in this world.
सर, इन ओवरऑल परव्यू देखें इन वर्ल्ड साइड से तो क्या इंडिया में क्या पोजीशन है हार्ट के रिलेटेड?
India has got maximum incidence of heart diseases because of some genetic factors and other environmental factors. And India, and particularly this Asian region, South Asian region, is particularly vulnerable for heart diseases. So we need more important prevention of this heart disease because treatment is there, but treatment is not available for all the persons. And sometimes it is delayed and there is a permanent damage to the heart.
What sort of symptoms of the heart attack or any heart
change
disease
your technology, sir?
Around 20% patients are silent heart attacks, so they do not have any symptom, but major symptom is chest pain, which is very severe and associated with perspiration, sweating, and sometimes syncope, sometimes ghabrahat, vomitings. And similar symptoms like syncope means loss of consciousness. This can occur in any patient.
सर, जैसा कहा जाता है कि prevention is better than cure. So what sort of prevention do you advise?
Treatment is there and treatment is very expensive and limited availability. So better is prevention. Prevention can apply to anybody and prevention can occur very easily. There are some factors which cannot be modified like genetics, but other factors like tobacco chewing or smoking, high cholesterol, high blood pressure and diabetes, obesity, these all can be modified. And with this there can occur a very good amount of prevention.
Now technology advancement is taking place and you have the one of the first we can call the heart surgery in the Bhopal is conducted by you. So what sort of the technology advancement is made?
Initial the equipments and the catheters and the balloons and stents were very primitive. So results were not that optimal and outcome may be sometimes suboptimal. So then now it has advanced a lot, it has advanced tremendously. And now we can apply intervention or surgery to almost all the patients and can improve all these patients.
और देखा जाए सर जैसे कई बार आता तो इससे होम रेमेडीज में कहा जाए कि किस तरह के इसी तरह का कोई जैसे इनिशियल सिम्टम्स होते हैं या कुछ इस तरह का एहसास होता है तो उसको कुछ होम रेमेडीज वगैरह या होम प्रिवेंशन कुछ कर सकते हैं?
Yes, most important we should suspect it. इंडाइजेशन है और पेट ठीक नहीं है और जलन हो रही है और एसिडिटी हो रही है, ये सब छोड़ के हमको सोचना चाहिए कि हार्ट भी हो सकता है. हार्ट इज सो कॉमन इवन एट यंगर एज, तो वन शुड सस्पेक्ट एंड गेट डायग्नोज्ड इट. बट बिफोर दैट वी कैन रीच एनी हॉस्पिटल, नियरेस्ट हॉस्पिटल. वी शुड ट्राई सम होम रेमेडीज ऑल्सो लाइक देयर इज ए वन टैबलेट नॉन एज एस्पिरिन, soluble aspirin. If it is taken, it can prevent 1/3 of the heart diseases, heart deaths in these patients. And sorbitrate is a common tablet which is isosorbate dinitrate. If that is taken, that still improves the heart circulation and can prevent heart attack to some extent.
सर देखा जाए जिस तरह का एक लाइफ स्टाइल आज लोगों आजकल जी रहे हैं जिस तरह का लीवर, इट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द मेजर बिकम फॉर द हार्ट प्रॉब्लम.
I think nowadays lifestyle is the most important factor which is gradually improving day by day. The sedentary life, the stress, not performing exercise and majority of time not getting good sleep, involved in the viewing mobiles and all that. So that is occurring very fast and very commonly, and that is a major risk factor.
Sir,
I would say.
you have visited, traveled a lot of foreign countries, US, UK. What sort of the advancement technology are available at par with the other countries?
Now India is at par, and we have got the maximum experience because we have got more patients. So they perform 1 or 2 angiography, we perform 30, 40, 50 even one day. Likewise angioplasty also or bypass
सर
surgery.
टेक्नोलॉजी का एडवांसमेंट तो ठीक है, यू आर इन हमीदिया, तो सबसे बड़ी बात ये रहती है कि वो जनरल पब्लिक तक अप्रोचेबल हो, जिसके लिए आपने प्रयास किया, एक जनरल पब्लिक तक इन सब चीज़ों की आपने पहुंच बनाई।
सर
हमीदिया
आपने
में
हार्ट
रहते
के
हुए
ऐसे पेशेंट देखे जिनको आपने ओपन हार्ट और सर्जरी बाईपास सर्जरी हमीदिया में स्टार्ट की, तो क्या इज द इम्प्रूवमेंट योर हॉस्पिटल्स?
Hospitals now they also have got the advanced equipments and treatment. Even common hospital like Hamidia Hospital, they are doing frequently all the interventions which are available worldwide, and we are preventing many heart patients from advanced heart disease and death.
I hope the kind of about we can call it 40 years of glorious services of the society as a heart specialist. So what is your message to the general public?
The general public.
Message is that prevent heart disease. Prevention is very simple and very effective. Prevent risk factors, like you can easily prevent smoking and tobacco chewing. You can easily prevent obesity. Start doing exercise. Avoid something which are white in diet like sugar, maida, ghee. This type of things which are high cholesterol producing agents, they should be avoided. And simply start doing exercise.